How many times a day do you actually look in the eyes of someone who you love the most? Maybe your child or your spouse. Have that number in your head. Kim Komando with your Consumer Tech Update, brought to you by Capterra. More coming up. As a successful business owner for over 20 years now, I know having the right software for your business is paramount. That's why I use and recommend Capterra. At Capterra.com/Kim, you'll find over 700 specific categories of software, everything from project management to email marketing to payroll. And with over 850,000 reviews from real software users, you're sure to find exactly what you need. Go to Capterra.com/Kim for free today. I thought about this question while I was relaxing over the long weekend. It made me sad to think that, like most people, I make eye contact with my smartphone a lot more than a loved one. We pick up our phones at least 50 times a day, triple that if you're a millennial. The University of Washington just published 4 triggers for smartphone use that's the same across all age groups. First, during unoccupied moments, say you're waiting for a friend, and then before or during tedious and repetitive tasks. We also pick it up during socially awkward situations, and when we think we're going to get a call or a text. Knowing the triggers makes me think twice before reaching for my phone, which is time taking away from the most important things in life. I'm Kim Komando.